All right, if you've stuck with me this far, congratulations. You've genuinely grasped the core of this model. You understand how the pieces fit together and why it works. Now, standing at this crossroads, you really have two clear options ahead of you. The first option is to take everything you've learned today and venture out on your own. You can absolutely do this. You can learn through trial and error, figuring things out as you go, piecing together the next steps one by one. It's a valid path, and many people have succeeded this way. It just takes time, patience, and a willingness to navigate the inevitable mistakes and setbacks. It's the scenic route, and you'll definitely learn a lot, but it can also be a long and sometimes frustrating journey. The second option is to move forward with a bit more guidance and a proven structure. This is for those of you who see the potential here and want to accelerate your progress, avoiding the common pitfalls that slow most people down. It's about taking a more direct path to your goal. Now, I want to be completely transparent about the resource I'm about to recommend. First, it is absolutely not mandatory. You can succeed without it. You have the foundational knowledge already. Second, it's not a magic pill. It won't do the work for you. Success still requires your effort, your dedication, and your commitment. This is a tool, not a ticket to instant results. And third, it's not for everyone. If you're just casually curious or not ready to take this seriously, then honestly, this probably isn't the right fit for you right now. And that's perfectly okay. However, for those of you who are ready to dive in, for those who want to save a significant amount of time and get this right from the start, this resource can be a game changer. It's designed to give you a clear, step-by-step roadmap to follow. Think of it as a blueprint that takes you from where you are now to where you want to be, much faster than you could on your own. If you feel like this structured path is the right one for you, I've put a link to what I consider the best next step right below in the description. I encourage you to check it out, but please decide carefully. Think about your goals, your timeline, and your level of commitment. The most important thing is that you now understand the strategy. You're no longer guessing. You're operating from a place of knowledge. So, what's the final result of taking this structured approach, of using a course like the one I'm recommending? Well, first, it helps you build a system that automatically filters out the casual browsers from the serious, committed audience members. You'll attract people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Second, it's all about building trust. You'll learn how to provide immense value upfront, establishing yourself as a credible and helpful authority in your space. People buy from those they know, like, and trust. And this process is designed to build that relationship authentically. Third, ULL. Master the art of educating your audience without ever feeling like you're redoing a hard sell. It's a subtle, more effective way to guide people toward a solution. It's about helping, not hyping. You prepare them to make a purchasing decision because they see the value, not because you pushed them into it. Ultimately, this entire process prepares you for effective and sustainable monetization. It sets up the foundation so that when you do introduce a product or an affiliate offer, your audience is receptive and ready. This is what professional affiliate marketing looks like. It's a strategic, value-driven business. Not just random improvisation, not just throwing links at a wall and hoping something sticks. It's a real, repeatable system. The choice is yours, and either path is valid. But the fact that you're here, that you've learned all this, means you're already ahead of the curve. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the description for that next step, and I'll see you in the next video.